Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. So today in this video I would just discuss some points for the new investors in the market who just are the beginners, you can say. So how do you choose a company for long-term investment, or you can say that how do you choose a good company in the market? First, definitely you will learn about the fundamental analysis, that what is the behavior of the company, what are the balance sheet, what are the management of the company. So all these things you need to know, that is for sure. But also you need to see what are the products the company selling, or what are the products of the company. That is very important, because in our household, suppose we are using Surf Excel, we are using Head and Shoulder shampoo, so lots of things we are using from Hindustan Unilever, okay, and we are using from our childhood the same product. So what you will think about the company? Definitely the company would be a good company, because you are using those products long ago and still you are using. And when you are using the product, what is your feeling? If it is good, then definitely other people are also using those products, right? So if more people are using a company's product, that means the company must be doing good business, right? So this is a common sense. And also after that you can check the fundamental, because every fancy company, every fancy dress doesn't means everything which glitters is not gold, right? So means even if the company, whatever you are thinking that it's good, you should check its balance sheet and the performance of the company, year on year growth, sales, profit, debt, everything you should go through that. The promoters holding, PE ratio, all these things you should learn gradually as a new investor in the market. Along with that, whenever you are seeing or using any product, you should, as a investor or as a person who who are in the share market doing investment trading, so you should know the products of the company. It helps you to understand the company in a better way. A relationship builds between the company and you, because you are the shareholder. That means you should feel that I am the owner of the company. That feeling should be there within you, right? Even if you are holding one share of that company. So how would you know that these products are good, or which company is good? How to decide that? I would first explain or showing you some products that I am using at my home. I would show and how to know what are the company. First of all, there are two types of company. One is privately, means there are other types of companies, but at least we should know two types. One is private limited and another one is limited company. So private limited company is the company generally when it, like the startup company or the company which is limited by private shares, like you and me, or 5 people, 10 people, we have made one company. Up to 200 people, we have made one company with different shareholding, and this company is a private limited company. Now what is a limited company? When the company is listed in the share market generally, then the company is share is it's limited by the public or many people, right? So this type of, as a basic understanding, you can think like that. So this is a limited company, this is a limited by share, okay, and this is not private limited, this is limited company. So you can also, if you are thinking of making one company, a startup, you can make one startup, gradually you can grow it, and after a particular stage, when you will think that it is fulfilling the NSE, BSE or SEBI guidelines, you can you can apply for IPO, initial public offering, and once you apply for IPO, your company will be listed in the share market. And once your company is listed in the share market, everyone, people like you and me, all the retail investor, everyone can buy and sell, and also the liquidity will be more. That means you, suppose as a promoter or as a shareholder of your startup company, you have, say, lots of share, 30% share, 40% share. Now you want to sell some of the share, okay, and you want to get some money, so you can easily sell in the share market and you can get the money. right? So these are the benefit of listing a company in the market, and you can raise money by FPO, by other techniques, right? So you can raise money when it's required. Now as a new investor, how would you recognize some good company from your day-to-day life? Let me show you some example. Like we use Fevicol, and from when you make some wooden like plywood work, Fevicol is required, and other companies have come up, but still the carpenters demand is Fevicol. Still we use Fevicol in many other places. So what is your view on Fevicol? You are thinking that Fevicol might be a good company, yes or no? All of us think. And who makes this Fevicol? When you will check the Fevicol, check the manufacturer. Who is the manufacturer? Who makes or markets this product, right? So Pidilite Industries makes this Fevicol. So Pidilite Industries is a very good company, and over the decades it has given the good returns to the investors. If you have invested in Pidilite, then before 10-15 years, then also continuously it has given you good returns, good dividend. Without, if you will not sell it, even you will hold it for 10-15 years, it will not be any problem. So this good company, if you hold for longer time, then it won't be any problem for you. Now another product, let us see. This product is Savlon, right? Savlon we use nowadays a lot, okay? And Savlon hand wash, Savlon you can say antiseptic cream, okay? So many products you might have seen in market Savlon. So you know that what is the brand? Savlon is its brand name, but what is the company that it manufactures or market? So marketed by ITC Limited. So who is the company that Savlon is now marketed by? ITC, right? So ITC, it's a very good brand, but now it's become a joke stocks in the many people say it's a joke stocks, because its price is not increasing. It's not giving the returns to the investor. It's trading around 200 rupees last you can say 1 year, let's say. So though it has not given good returns to the investor, but still it pays good dividend, more than 5%, and it's a good company. Like cigarette, it has its business is there in the cigarette, and many products it makes, from Classmate notebook to, you can say, Ashirvad Atta, Ashirvad all the Ashirvad brands. Along with that, you can say Savlon, lot many things ITC makes, from chocolate to you can say lot many things, right? Now let's come to Dabur. This is a hand sanitizer. So now Dabur has evolved itself in different products, except Dabur Chyawanprash, Dabur honey that we used to listen from our childhood. Also Dabur Dant Manjan. Dabur has evolved itself and had grown its business. So Dabur now is a good company, have given also good returns to the investor over the longer period of time, right? So now when I saw this in market that Dabur is also making hand sanitizer during this corona, I found that Dabur also in the hand sanitizer business. So that means the company is bringing new product. What does that mean? That means it is fulfilling the demands of the consumer. When the company is fulfilling the demands of the consumer and making new product, that means we can think that the company has a good potential of, it has a good potential for the growth. So if the company is looking for growth, it is not if it is not limited and it is trying to grow, that means we can think of some more growth of our money. Also we can invest in these companies, right? So I would not suggest you should invest in this company. You should take your decision of your own, but you can think of this company. And my point is, how do you select the company? So when you will go and try to analyze make its fundamental analysis of Dabur, you will also find that it's a very good company. Now let's come to Nycil. Nycil also powder we use from our childhood, Nycil powder and Nycil other products. So Nycil also making hand sanitizer. I also so who is marketing Nycil? Zydus wellness product. So its share price is trading around 2200 rupees, and this Zydus wellness is also making good profit, though 1 year back I think some negative results also it has given, but it's a stable company almost and pays the dividend regularly also. Right now I came across one honey that I bought from Amazon, that is Zandu pure honey. Zandu honey, then I tried to find out which company is making it, right? Then when I saw it, I found that Emami is making it. Emami licensed user is Emami Limited, Kolkata. So you know, Emami is also a good brand in FMCG sector, and it's also continuously growing, making different products. And Emami Fair and Handsome cream you might have heard, and you might have used also. So when you are using such products in your household, and also you are thinking that this product is a good one, and others, my friends and my other relatives also using, and wherever I am seeing the more and more people are also using this product, and also I can see the company bringing new product to the market and growing. That means I can trust on the company. And also you have to little bit analyze also, you have to check the management, check the fundamental analysis, then you should and take the help. You can also discuss with your your managers, right? So after that you can take your decision, not with my advice, right? Now this is a Colgate. Now from our childhood also we use this product Colgate. Now if we say in my area, in my rural area, in my village, you can say, when we communicate with the shopkeeper, we say give us a Colgate. We don't say that give us a toothpaste. We have forgotten the toothpaste is Colgate. Means Colgate is a brand name, and toothpaste is means it can be of any brand, right? And but the Colgate is so popular that the brand name is, now we feel that Colgate means toothpaste. So like Thanda matlab Coca-Cola, like that. If a company brand is making one product's name, so it's a great thing, right? So Colgate is also the company who makes this Colgate Palmolive India, and its share is also great. It's a very good share, and continuously pays dividend, and also grows means the price of the share, or you can say it has also given good returns to the investor, right? So this much for today. I'll show you some other products in some other video. So I tried to make some awareness that how when you are already you have decided that I would earn money from share market, then you should be open up yourself, and you should look in your surroundings, what are the company which this product is making, who is making this product, who is making this product. So it will give you an idea that this company is doing good or not. Like Videocon, you can see Videocon products no one is using nowadays. Everyone is using LG and Samsung. So if you will buy Videocon, now it's vanished from the market, right? Now Idea is no one is using Idea. Very rare people is using Idea. Everyone is using Jio and Airtel. So you see what is happening to Idea, right? So in that thing also you can analyze one basic sense you can have without fundamental analysis also, which company is doing good and which company is not doing good, right? So with this much, let's stop here. See you in another video tomorrow. Bye bye, take care.